the sloth because they're always smiling and they're really, really good at relaxing.
Apple crisp. It goes well with my favorite season, which is fall.
Softball, because I hit dingers.
Honey barbecue twist. Magic. Summer's the best because I like to go hang out with my family at the cabin and just hang out in the pool.
Alex Trebek, because I love Jeopardy.
Green, because I love farming and it's beautiful.
Woodworking, because it allows me to express myself, to create awesome.
A turtle. Turtles live very long, like hundreds of years. And to me, my friendships that I have last eternity.
Oaksla and Lake City camping ground. I like to spend time with my girls out by the river. It's really nice.
Laying by the pool and riding the golf cart, watching my husband play golf, and reading a People magazine.
Hockey, because I love to play it. It's one of my favorite sports to watch, and I love the Minnesota Wild.